SVSA Coin is an emerging cryptocurrency project designed to merge artificial intelligence with blockchain infrastructure. Unlike traditional DeFi tokens, SVSA focuses on building a multi-chain ecosystem that allows AI models to interact securely with decentralized applications dApps. The core idea is to enable faster, smarter, and more efficient blockchain operations by using machine learning algorithms that optimize transaction speeds, resource allocation, and data management. This concept alone has made SVSA one of the most intriguing blockchain projects of 2025, especially as investors look for utility-based coins rather than meme-driven speculation. The recent surge in mentions of SVSA Coin on social media platforms reflects a growing curiosity about its potential to lead the next wave of AI-integrated blockchain adoption. The SVSA project was founded in 2024 by blockchain engineer Ethan Zhao and data scientist Lara Nguyen, both of whom have extensive experience in building scalable Web3 solutions. Their goal was to address one of the biggest pain points in crypto cross-chain interoperability. SVSA uses a hybrid layer 1 blockchain architecture that employs a delegated proof-of-stake DOPS consensus mechanism enhanced by artificial intelligence. This means the network can predict congestion, allocate resources efficiently, and optimize block validation without sacrificing decentralization. Essentially, the blockchain learns from its own transaction history and adapts automatically, something few projects have achieved at scale. SVSA's tokenomics also play a crucial role in its growing appeal. The total supply is capped at 1 billion SVSA tokens, with approximately 420 million currently in circulation. It features a deflationary burn mechanism, where 1% of every transaction is permanently removed from the supply, rewarding long-term holders and discouraging excessive speculation. The SVSA token serves multiple functions. It's used for paying transaction fees, staking to earn passive income, voting on governance proposals, and accessing exclusive AI-driven tools within the ecosystem. Additionally, SVSA's Smart Bridge protocol allows seamless communication between major blockchains such as Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain, making it easier for developers to deploy dApps that can operate across multiple networks simultaneously. Supporting the ecosystem are three key components: SVSA Wallet, an AI-powered crypto management application; SVSA Bridge, a multi-chain transfer gateway; and SVSA Labs, an incubator for upcoming decentralized projects and AI startups. Together, these tools create a complete ecosystem that caters to developers, investors, and enterprises looking for scalable blockchain solutions. This integrated approach has attracted not only retail investors but also early interest from venture funds exploring AI-related crypto investments. When it comes to market performance, SVSA Coin has been making steady progress. Currently trading around 0.72, it has seen an impressive 35% increase in the past month alone. The 24-hour trading volume averages around 12 million, indicating active participation from both traders and long-term investors. SVSA's market capitalization is sitting near 60 million, which places it in the lower mid-cap range, small enough for explosive growth potential but large enough to show real traction. Over the past quarter, the coin has demonstrated a pattern of accumulation, with steady price action supported by rising trading volumes. In comparison to competitors like Fetch, INFET and Render UNDU, SVSA remains relatively undervalued, which is one reason why it's being called a sleeper altcoin for 20 with it. From a technical analysis standpoint, SVSA recently broke above its 50-day moving average, which is often seen as a sign of renewed bullish momentum. The relative strength index for SI sits around 58, showing moderate buying strength without overbought conditions. The MACD indicator also shows an upward crossover, a common technical signal that suggests further price appreciation could be on the horizon. However, resistance remains near the 0.10 mark, a psychological barrier that SVSA needs to break through for a confirmed trend reversal. If the coin can maintain support above 0.7, it could enter a healthy consolidation phase before another upward push. Now the question everyone is asking, is SVSA Coin in a pump or dump phase? Let's look at both sides of the argument. On the bullish end, blockchain data shows a noticeable increase in wallets holding over 1 million SVSA, suggesting accumulation by whales or early institutional players. Social media sentiment is also heavily positive, with discussions about SVSA thanks and AI blockchain revolution dominating crypto forums. Moreover, rumors are circulating that SVSA might collaborate with Singularity and AGIX and Ocean Protocol to develop a decentralized AI data sharing framework. If such partnerships are confirmed, SVSA's price could surge significantly. Additionally, the team's transparency and consistent communication through regular updates have helped build trust within the community, rare in newer projects. On the flip side, skeptics argue that the recent rally might be driven more by hype than fundamentals. Around 20% of SVSA holders are short-term traders who have held the coin for less than a month, suggesting speculative behavior. The project's roadmap, while ambitious, has only seen partial completion of its 2025 milestones. If key features like AI nodes and SmartBridge 2.0 are delayed, investor confidence could waver. Furthermore, the current market environment remains volatile, with Bitcoin's dominance influencing smaller altcoins heavily. Any correction in the broader crypto market could trigger a temporary sell-off in SVSA as traders move to safer assets. Despite these concerns, SVSA's future potential looks promising. Analysts project that if the development team continues executing on schedule and secures meaningful partnerships, the SVSA Coin price prediction for 2025 could range between 0.20 and 0.35. This forecast is supported by several factors. The upcoming mainnet upgrader promises faster transaction throughput and lower gas fees, potential collaborations with Chainlink, the Graph, and regional AI startups in Asia, and the expansion of community governance, which gives token holders more control over project direction. As AI continues to integrate with blockchain technology across industry from supply chain management to predictive finance, SVSA could position itself as a crucial infrastructure layer connecting data and decentralization. The broader crypto market in 2025 is evolving rapidly. After years of speculation-driven growth, investors are now prioritizing utility, sustainability, and scalability. SVSA sits at the intersection of two of the biggest technological trends, AI and blockchain, giving it a unique advantage over traditional DeFi projects. As governments, institutions, and developers explore decentralized AI networks, projects like SVSA could play a pivotal role in how machine learning models are trained, deployed, and monetized securely on-chain. If executed correctly, SVSA might not just survive the next market cycle, it could lead it. That being said, potential investors must also understand the risks. Like most small to mid-cap altcoins, SVSA remains highly volatile. Price swings of 20–30% within a single trading day are not uncommon. Regulatory uncertainties surrounding AI data management and blockchain interoperability could also pose challenges, especially as governments tighten their stance on digital assets. Additionally, project execution risk remains a concern. Many crypto startups with brilliant ideas have failed due to poor management or lack of consistent development. If SVSA's team fails to deliver on roadmap milestones, investor enthusiasm could fade quickly. Another risk lies in whale concentration. If few large holders decide to offload their positions, it could trigger a sharp price correction, impacting retail investors. Ultimately, SVSA Coin represents both high potential and high risk, which makes it a speculative yet exciting addition for diversified crypto portfolios. For long-term believers in blockchain and AI convergence, SVSA offers an early opportunity to get involved in a project with ambitious goals and a clear technological vision. However, it's essential to approach it with caution, proper research, and a risk-managed investment strategy. Remember, not every promising project turns into a top 50 coin, but the ones that do often share the same traits SVSA is showing right now: innovation, strong community engagement, and real-world utility. In conclusion, SVSA Coin is one of the more interesting blockchain projects to watch in 20 with it. It combines artificial intelligence, cross-chain technology, and community-driven governance to create a versatile ecosystem for decentralized innovation. The fundamentals appear solid, the roadmap is ambitious, and the market sentiment leans cautiously optimistic. However, as with any emerging altcoin, the path forward depends on consistent delivery and real-world adoption. If the team can maintain momentum, SVSA could see significant growth over the next year. But if delays or market downturns occur, short-term corrections are inevitable.